another video of guys. Today we're doing the most heaviest mask in one bullet. So, level, and this is day one of making videos, and this is, I don't know what part I forgot, and this is an obstacle. First I'll be obstacle 2. First obstacle be part 1. Just look at got to take it. This is, I want this mask to drop down like an obstacle, like boom, fall into the pillow. But I don't wanna make the mask.
Sabi ko ganyan, baka bumig ka sa'yo eh.
Yes, it's good. Let's do it. Before.